Hey guys, Eric Roberts here from Worship the King, and I just released the Worship the King affiliate program. It's worshiptheking.com/affiliate. So I'm inviting all of you right now to come to it. But this video is called I Got Followers, How Do I Make Money? And really, if you're not an affiliate marketer, or if you don't have some sort of affiliate linking program in then you're not making money. There's no possible way. You can make money if you have followers, but you have to just join an affiliate program. Amazon Associates, Worship the King is the one I want you to join today, and there's many others. But I think that anybody can join this program and make money. You might be a worship guitar guy, you might be a worship leader, you might be a pastor, you might be a missionary. Any of these kind of people that are out there watching me right now would be great for Worship the King affiliates. But let's just say you're just a regular person and you just have a lot of followers. Think of how many followers you have that might be like wanting to learn the guitar. In fact, I walk down the street all the time and I talk to people and meet people, and everybody I talk to, if I tell them, oh, I teach guitar, I play guitar, like, oh, I always wanted to play guitar. Have you done that? Have you noticed everybody wants to play the guitar? So Worship the King, that's what we do. So if you have a lot of followers in any niche, you could become a Worship the King affiliate, and every once in a while, once a week, once a month, share a video, replace, put your link in there, share something, and make money. Let's say the important part about having followers is you've already got followers. So this video is I got followers, how do I make money? There are lots of ways to make money on your followers. One of them, I think, is a really great one, the best one I've seen, is becoming affiliate marketer of products that relate to your people and of just really any products that you share. Because think about it. If you are, let's say, a blogger or any kind of YouTuber, blogger, and you do like beauty products, or you do oils, or you do life adventures or whatever, it wouldn't be too weird to be like, hey, I really like this guy's stuff. I really think it's cool. He's teaching this Christian guitars. Look at this cool stuff, and just share a post and put a link. A lot of your followers probably go to church. They probably go to church, and they probably, or thought about going to church, and they might be like, I've always wanted to be on my worship team. I've always wanted to learn guitar, and you know what? A lot of the great artists started in church. I mean, a lot of the great artists started playing and singing in church. So it's not even super far off for you if you have even a totally secular channel that talks about anything, travel, hey, check this out. When you're traveling, a guitar is really cool to take along with you. So, check this guy out. You can even do his stuff online on your iPhone or your iPad while you're out and about. So check this out. Worship the King affiliate link. Boop, you're making money. So you have followers. So now start thinking about how to bring value to them in a way that they go, I like this. I think this would be cool for me. And they buy it, then you make money. So affiliate marketing is not, to me, it isn't like a spammy, it could be a spammy thing. I mean, you could spam people and they don't want to hear you. But if you're just adding value to their life as an affiliate, a marketer, blogger, whatever you are, you're doing this, you're just adding that layer to make income. So why aren't you doing it? Why aren't you doing affiliate marketing already? If you're not already doing affiliate marketing, just do it today. worshiptheking.com/affiliate and just get to know me. You can schedule a call with me. You can join up with my team. We produce all the hashtags, all the stuff. We're not asking you to do much of anything other than sign up and then start sharing the links to your followers. God bless you guys. I'm welcome you, and I'm inviting you. Join me in this adventure to make Worship the King affiliates, grow and to make some good money off the followers you already have. They're just sitting there. Let's make some money on them. All right. God bless you. Have a great day.